Let's see what kind of trouble I can get in today. Maybe the rear end again. Got to make room for the other axle, seeing as how we ain't using this one anymore. This one's a bust. So apparently I ordered the wrong bearings. I ordered for a Ford 9-inch 31 spline, not realizing that they had two different bearing sizes for it. So after talking to Tom's Off-Road yesterday, we decided to get a new set of axles, which I'm perfectly okay with. So today, whoa, holy smokies, I'm going to take my other axle housing out of there and putting it on the sawhorses, but I got to change these jack stands out so I can keep the rover supported while I do it. So got them supported. I should just keep the camera rolling, because if it falls again, that'd be some good entertainment video right there. But not this time, because I know you guys love watching me struggle. I know you guys love it. My sister seems to think I should lift with my legs. I think I can slide. This one's a whole lot lighter. A whole lot lighter than the other one. Piece of cake. Easy peasy, baby. I just got to clean all the metal out of there. It's full of metal. All my chips and shavings and filings. I'm going to throw the basket in there. Pumpkin, rear end, chunk, chuck, housing, whatever you want to call it, in here. I'm going to tape off the ends. And I think I'm going to prep it for paint. So I got the ends taped. I got the tube cleaned. No more metal in there. You know, I figured I better put this rear end in before I fill it up with metal again. So, welcome to the new rear end. That ain't pretty. Currie Ford 9-inch, third member, 456 gears with an ARB air locker. I'm just gonna tighten this thing up temporarily so it doesn't move around on me. And that way I can prep the rest of the tube here and maybe get some paint on it. I only got a half a day today because I got to go see the tax man. Not looking forward to that. I don't know if I want to use Raptor paint or just my black chassis paint I got, but it's bare metal and it's been getting some surface rust on it. So I got looking at this and saw the surface rust on it and decided I'm just gonna coat it with something that don't rust anymore. So I decided to go with some weld-through primer. That way later on I can still weld it and I'll have the protection. I'll do a finished paint job on it later on. I'll paint it up shiny. Got a couple fish eyes in there from where I didn't get the oil off the housing. I left my ends weld through primer so I can weld my brake caliper mounts on there. But yeah, don't look too bad. I had to call it a day. I had to go down and get the taxes done, see the tax man. Hopefully things work out, or I ain't gonna have enough money to finish the project, which would really suck. But until next time.